In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Utilityhub.vip. Utilityhub.vip is a malicious site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and it attacks other browsers too. It tries to mislead people and to make them actually download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Utilityhub.vip, don't ever interact with them and don't install anything that they suggest. If you have seen those pop-ups, it could be that your computer is messed up by some adware. I recommend that you carefully examine the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of other, possibly concealed threats, I do recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.